Thank you for joining me for today's opening to love and heart expanding meditation. Today, as you sink into the energy, setting the intention to open your heart, your body, and your mind to unconditional love, to creating alignment with the frequency of unconditional love. I recommend putting headphones on and either sitting completely consciously upright, rooted and firm, or if you must, laying down, finding your center and ground in the most comfortable but still conscious position. When you're ready, starting to breathe with me, placing one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. And as you breathe, I want you to breathe in through your heart space, in through your nose, out through your mouth. And as you inhale, inhale fresh, pure, green energy into your heart space. And exhale all that no longer serves you. Breathing in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing out, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathing in, 1, 2, 3, 4. And breathing out, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathing in, 1, 2, 3, 4. And breathing out, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathing in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing out, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continuing to breathe. And as you do, I want you to imagine your entire being covered and wrapped in the purest green, high vibrational, loving energy. Noticing how your head, brain, upper extremities feel as they are completely wrapped in this unconditional, loving energy. Continuing to breathe as you notice your chest, your heart space, your upper abdomen, the top and center of your back and spine, the base of your neck. Feeling into these parts of you and allowing them to be consumed by this green, high vibrational, loving energy. Noticing how it feels. Moving down below your diaphragm, just above your pelvis, your entire midsection, your back flanks, the top of your butt, how all of this feels as you feel it being consumed by bright green, unconditional, loving energy. moving down to below your pelvis, your legs, your feet, all lower extremities. Noticing how it feels as they are consumed by this bright green, unconditional, loving energy. And now envisioning your entire body and a 3-foot barrier on the outside of it, completely consumed by this bright green, unconditional, loving energy. Letting yourself sink in and feel it all now. And as you breathe here, allowing this high vibrational, pure, loving energy to stay with you, opening and expanding your heart as you take a moment to tune in to the higher consciousness that resides within you, that resides within the entirety of the universe, and to allow yourself to make contact with that higher form of consciousness now, opening your mind and body to hear, feel, know a divine message of unconditional love from its cosmic heart unto yours. Listen now. As this message from the higher consciousness within you and around you comes to an end, know that you are always able to tune in and access that higher power at any moment of any day. That you can access your own high state of consciousness in all moments as you open and expand the power of love. And now I want you to notice anywhere in your body or energy field that may feel physically resistant to the unconditional frequencies of love. As you identify this area, bring it into your solar plexus, the place just above your belly button and below your ribs. Bring it in there and find your internal flame. Placing it in the flame as you alchemize it, bringing it down into your space of creation just below your belly button, grounding it down into the earth. And as you do, allowing it to rise, opening your heart even deeper to unconditional love. Breathing in through your nose, 1, 2, 3, 4, out through your mouth, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Opening even deeper to that bright, expansive, unconditional, loving frequency. Allowing yourself to alchemize all resistance, all fear, all lower vibrational energy into the all-knowing power of love. Breathing in, 1, 2, 3, 4, out, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Opening your heart even more to that unconditionally loving presence. Once again, accessing the higher state of consciousness that resides within you and the entire universe. And asking now for this to be a constant two-way relationship. Letting your higher consciousness know that you are willing to communicate and receive, and allow yourself to feel that communication open. As you breathe in this new way of being, ask your higher consciousness that when you open your eyes, although your physical reality may look the same, ask for a sign, a symbol, or a knowing that although it looks the same, that you have indeed shifted into a new higher vibrational timeline based on and in the frequency of unconditional love. Ask to be awe-inspired, surprised by this new way of life, and that you will know with every fiber of your being that as you emulate this higher space of consciousness, that you are creating miracles in your reality. And now sinking into the vibration of gratitude for all that you have and all that will be, filling in your entire vessel, your entire being, the most amazing gratitude for all that is coming into your life now. Taking a moment to express appreciation for yourself, for transcending your current experiences and physical circumstances, honoring the level of self-devotion and discipline it took to complete this meditation. Give yourself a beautiful hug, celebrating the time you invested here today as you breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, And exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Living this moment forward from a state of unconditional love. When you are ready, open your eyes. You have completed today's session.